my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Rice is a delicious grain and comes in many different varieties. White, brown, black, basmati, red cargo, and many more. When it comes to jasmine, most people don't know how to cook it, and the results are usually not that appetizing. Here's a proper way to do it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll rinse the rice by placing it in a fine sieve sitting over a bowl. We'll fill the bowl with enough cold water to cover the rice. Next, we'll swirl the grains with our hands, then lift the strainer from the bowl. We'll repeat until the water is almost clear, about 2 to 3 times. Here's the debate about rinsing. Some claim it doesn't make any difference to fluffiness. Au contraire, I find it does, because by rinsing the rice before cooking it, gets rid of any excess starch, which would make the rice sticky and gummy after it's cooked. When making fried rice though, I highly suggest rinsing until the water runs completely clear so the grains cook separately. There's more info on the website, so check it out. After the rinsing is done, we'll let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to drain and dry out. In a medium saucepan, we'll add water. Now, this is how we treat jasmine rice differently than the others. The grain is softer than most long grain rice, therefore it needs less water. The ratio is 1 part rice to 1 1/4 parts water, which means for 1 cup of rice, it needs only 1 1/4 cups of water. Now, depending on the recipe, you might want to add a small pinch of salt, but traditionally, the rice is cooked without it. We'll stir so the grains are evenly distributed, turn the heat to high, and bring it to a boil. As soon as it starts bubbling, we'll cover and reduce the heat to low. We'll let it simmer for 12 to 15 minutes or until all the water is absorbed. We'll remove from the heat and let it sit covered for 10 minutes before gently fluffing the rice with a fork.
As you saw in this video, you can now enjoy this aromatic rice without it getting gummy and sticky. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!